Hello again, gang. How you doing? And good morning again. Just getting geared up. And speaking of gear, I'm just kind of curious, do you guys wear gear? Let me know, and I'll show you what I wear in this next video. God, it's days like today make you want to say work and just go out and ride. Freaking gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Alright, so I know it's sometimes a big debate. Always a personal preference. But do you guys wear gear when you ride? A lot of people I know do. And a lot of people I know don't. I mean, I see bikes all the time. People got everything on from a helmet all the way to boots, and then I see people wear nothing but a t-shirt, flip-flops. But I'm not here to preach about wearing gear. I'm not saying you need to wear gear. I mean, it's your personal choice. Illinois, we don't have a helmet law, so there's lots of people that I see that don't wear helmets. Do what you want, that's fine. But me, I'm still a new rider, and I don't think I'll ever change my ways that I'm doing now. I always wear my gear. It just gives me that little bit of extra safety feeling in the back of my mind that if something happens and I go down, I've got a better chance of survival and a better chance of, you know, not cracking my head open and being a vegetable for the rest of my life. But I'll give you a full breakdown of my gear. There'll be some cut shots here to see what the gear looks like, and maybe like a small review on each item. So I'm going to start from the top and work my way down. First thing I bought when I knew I was going to be riding motorcycles, I bought my helmet. Now, I did buy a full face. I bought a LS2 FT3 helmet that I found on Revzilla. It was on closeout, but the reviews on it were fantastic, and I didn't want to spend a fortune on new gear just in case, you know, the motorcycling didn't work out for me. But I wanted to make sure what I bought was still quality stuff. I didn't want to cheap out just to save a few bucks on gear that's suspect. So this helmet, I really like it. I've been wearing it for well over a year now. And some positives I want to say about it. A, it is a full face. It's going to give you the best protection from, you know, the wind, from a fall. Modulars are safe too, but still, full faces are still the safest way to go as far as a helmet. Blocks wind really well, good ventilation. I got two vents at the top. I've got a vent near my mouth. And one of the best features I like about it is it's got a little pump behind the mouth right here that you can make your cheek pads expand to better fit the helmet to your face. So I really like that feature. It's very comfortable. The cheek pads fit really well around my face. The head padding is fantastic. The helmet is a little noisy. It could be a little bit of a quieter helmet, but I think I just paid a little over $100 for this helmet on closeout. It's been a great first helmet, and I'll continue to wear it. Another cool feature I like about it, it's got a drop-down sun visor that just goes up and down with just the push and pull of the lever. That's really cool too. That way you're not changing out the shield on your helmet. But yeah, all in all, really good. I do have a Sena SMH5 mounted to it for communication when I ride with a buddy. And I kind of run some wiring from my microphone in here and the microphone from the Sena. So there's lots of room in there for all that stuff. And so overall, good helmet. Probably give it 3.5, 4 out of 5. Alright, working my way down, I do have two different riding jackets that I have. The one I have on right now is the Speed and Strength Go for Broke riding hoodie. Now, it does have CE approved armor in it, and actually the armor that's in it is really, really good. I do feel pretty protected in this hoodie. The back pad is holy crap nice. I expected way worse than what I got with this hoodie. But it's I almost like want to swap out this one with my other Street and Steel jacket I have, because the Street and Steel jacket has Kevlar in it, and this hoodie does not. It just has, you know, armor, and it, you know, it's a nice quality hoodie, and it's something you can wear around town, even if, you know, say, I don't know, you're bar hopping or you go for a ride down to the river or wherever. It looks just like a regular hoodie. It's a really nice piece of clothing that you can wear. I mean, it's fashionable and functional. Then I was talking about my other Street and Steel. They called it a riding shirt, but it's really it's a jacket. The thing's too freaking heavy to be a shirt. But that jacket also has CE-approved armor in the shoulders, I believe, and in the elbows. The back, the foam pad in the back is just that. It's just a foam pad. It's not the greatest in the world, because I would probably swap the one I have out in my hoodie for it. But overall, that jacket's nice. I don't wear it when it probably gets over 75 because it's just ungodly hot. So for those days when it's really hot and I'm riding, I'll wear my my Speed and Strength hoodie. A little more breathing room in that thing. All right, so working my way down to my hands, I have the FXC full finger gloves. Now, I got these off Amazon. They actually came in two different styles. You had the solid like this, and you also have the mesh. I went with the solid. That way I can wear them longer throughout the year. And they're not too bad in summer. But there's reinforced knuckle armor in them. There's lots of padding around the other knuckles and padding on the palms. They're really good for gripping on the handlebars, and functionality, pretty good. I can't operate a cell phone with them, but honestly, you shouldn't be operating a cell phone while you're riding. Moving on down, I wear the Bullet SR4 Flex jeans. Bullet, I read a lot of reviews on, and people gave them a lot of praise, so that was the last thing I bought to complete my riding gear was riding jeans. And riding jeans are pretty important. If you go down, one of the things that's going to hit, they're going to take the most damage, is your backside of your thighs or your legs, you know. So the riding jeans I got, they have they're reinforced with Kevlar on the inside, and they do have pockets for CE-approved armor, which I didn't have when I bought them, but that's always an option for me. I can always buy those and put those in. But very, very comfortable. They could use a little more room in the thigh area, because they say they're a flex jean, but you're not getting so much flex in the thigh, so you gotta kind of hike them up a little bit. I'm gonna go around this. I don't want to run into a bunch of ammonia. That would not be good. But back to the jeans. I mean, you really can't tell the riding jeans. So, I mean, you can wear them out anywhere while you're riding, and they just like a normal pair of jeans. You know, nobody's gonna notice. Working my way down, I do have boots. I have the Harley-Davidson Foxfield boots. Now, here's what was confusing about these. The Amazon listing I bought them on, they said they were a riding boot. On other websites, they say they are a work boot. But honestly, I don't think it matters as long as they go over the ankle. They're kind of stiff in the ankle too, so they'll provide, you know, protection from your ankle snapping or whatever, or, you know, in a worst case, your foot won't come off. But you do have like a reinforced toe on them that's good for shifting and everything. There's lots of good tread on the bottom, that way you're not slipping your ass off the bike. I would recommend, if you ever pick these up, to also pick up some like Dr. Scholl's cushions, because they're a little uncomfortable on the bottom, just wearing them bare bones. So if you guys wear gear, let me know what you wear. If you don't wear gear, let me know that too. I'm not saying you have to, but just curious to see what you guys wear. I may be upgrading my helmet soon, just to get something new, but we'll see in the coming weeks, the coming months. Drop me a line below, like this video if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment. Follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you guys later. You guys take it sleazy. See you on the flip side.